Okay, so the assignment today was a little complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Your child can simply draw emojis on another piece of paper or write on this paper of how their character feels. However, if you want another copy or a digital copy, you click here on poetry. You click poetry assignments. When your child clicks on this icon, Google Classroom should give them their own character template. It should come up in their name. That way they won't cross over into mine or another's. So to find the draw tool, which you'll have to do some instruction if you want them to do it this way, you click on this line and you can scroll down to the word scribble. When they scribble, they can sketch right on the document, and they could draw clothing. If you want to get very fancy, they can click on the palette to choose a color to change the color of the clothing. There's lots of features on Google Draw, that you can experiment with, but it's not necessary. Again, they can just color their character and add emojis. A couple of other tools over on the left is this image. When you click on it, you can scroll down to search on the web. That is how I got the images on the right-hand side when I was showing you. And I typed in the word emoji. And that's how I was able to drag and drop. If you do the insert, they won't come in as nicely. You can teach your children to click on the emoji with the arrow selector, and they can make it small, or they can just insert emojis. The idea is that they're expressing feelings around the poem. If we were in school, they would be drawing emojis. So really do not feel intimidated. Because I'm teaching online, I wanted to teach the tools, but they can draw their emoji poem around their character. You're going to have most of the week to work this out, and so you are, of course, can ask me questions.